Just thought I'd give you a brief demo on how you can install a library using the Arduino IDE's Library Manager. Click on Sketch Include File and click on Manage Libraries. That'll bring up a dialog box if you wanted to do something with analog to digital converters. Type in ADC and then you can scroll around and see what's available. If I type in ADCD, I see there's a data analysis version of the analog to digital converter. We can do the install on that, and once that's installed, it'll say installed on it, as you can see. And then what we'll do is close out of the library manager and go to examples, and that should update the hierarchic menu item so that the ADC is in there, and then that should bring up the example, and there you go. And now here's an ADC converter doing some sort of voltage analysis with graphing. And that's how you install new libraries. My DTMF library has already been installed, so if you go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, you'll see my dual tone multiple frequency library. Takes a moment to update the list of installed libraries. Just type in DTMF and it'll filter everything. And here's mine up at the top, and there's an update, so I can click on the update. That'll install the update. And then we can click out, and here's the DTMF library. We can close this out. This will do dialing. It's a primary library, so we got to put it somewhere. Let's see, I'll put it under Applications, Save, and then let's go and see what we have here for examples. Here's the Audio Shield DTMF, and there's the dial program. And it comes right on up. That should compile. Not a problem. It should upload. And if it's got a problem uploading, it's probably because I got the wrong port. Let's make sure we got the right port here. Try again. And now it's uploading. And there you go. Thank you for your attentions. Bye.